So here's an example of how you can use Smart Notebook to make a lesson on multiplication of fives. So we start with a video. You can play to math of fives. Then this page includes an image and a recorded sound as well as some text. This third slide includes an interactive shape that is infinitely cloned that you can move and count by fives. Then this one also includes interactive where you click the circle to unveil the number, and then a link that takes you to some more practice questions. And finally, there's this sort of assessment where the student can drag the boxes to match. Let's hope I do this right. So yeah, that's just an example of how you can use Smart Notebook.